Let's have a quick overview on how a logo can be added to a WooCommerce invoice. You can begin by downloading and installing the WebToffee's PDF invoice, packing slip, delivery note, shipping label for WooCommerce plugin. Once the plugin is activated, navigate to the invoice or packing from the WordPress menu. The plugin allows you to configure different document types relevant for your WooCommerce store. You can explicitly enable or disable the concerned documents required for your site and configure settings pertaining to each document individually. Generic details pertaining to all the document types can be configured in the General tab. The company name and logo can be inserted here. You can specify the company name in the field provided. The company logo can be uploaded from the media library. The plugin is equipped to resize the logo to fit in within the respective document type. However, we recommend not to upload an image of large size. Update to save the settings. The logo and the company name specified will be available across all the document types. Let us see how the logo appears in the invoice. Move on to the Customize tab. You can see that the logo and other details previously configured are auto-populated here. The toggles incorporated will allow you to enable or disable an item from the template. For instance, if you don't want the company logo on your invoice, you can disable it. Additionally, you can control the logo width and height, specify extra details if any. You can modify its font size and head color. Instead of the company logo, you can place your company name only. Again with the provision to modify its font and other details. You can also switch between each predefined templates to have a look into how the company logo will appear in each layout. To view recent orders invoice in PDF format, click on the preview sample. Hope you have understood how easy and user-friendly the plugin is to make custom changes to WooCommerce invoices. Do check out our other tutorials to get a detailed overview into the various other features offered by the plugin. Thanks for watching.